Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So basically how to add the account and how to remove it. So first of all, let's begin with the settings. And now we have to scroll down in order to find the accounts. And of course, as you can see here, we've got whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it. But I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap. And here, let's tap on this account because as you can see, I've got one already added. So let's tap on it. We will begin with removing it. Just tap on remove and tap on remove again. As you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now let's add the account. Just tap on this option, pick Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, so I will just tap on it. But just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option and tap on I agree. Here just tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.